So on this video, we are going to create the ball for the ball bearing. So we are going to open new part, all right, and then sketch any of the plane will do. Okay, we sketch a circle. All right, smart dimension. Now is 15 mm only. 15 mm. Diameter is 15 mm. So we are going to draw a line to make the circle half. All right, and then we trim on one side, and then features variable. So this line will be this line. Okay, so this is the ball. So very simple only. So the material, we can make it again steel. Okay, and then maybe we can make it white in color. All right, check. So save. This is the ball bearing. So that's it.